Hello, everyone. Welcome to I Ching Way. I'm Dr. Tian. Today, we will talk about pre-heaven qi and qi. Pre-heaven qi and the qi is the reason how feng shui affects humans. How good feng shui will help you to gain health, to help you to maintain your clear mind. Pre-heaven qi and the qi is the reason. The pre-heaven qi and the qi concept I teach today is from this book, Feng Shui Cosmology. This book is written by Grandmaster Hunyuan Chanshi. Feng Shui Law. What is Feng Shui? Feng means wind. Shui means water. Feng Shui Law is all about air circulation in this space. How air move inside this space. That's it. So you might wonder, okay, how that affects people. So you see this word, air. This is English. But the original concept of air in Mandarin is called 空气. 空 means space. 气 is qi, something you can feel. So 空气 means in this space, we have qi flow inside this space. This is how the ancient Chinese, they think about what is air. They have no idea what's air, right? So they try to understand, oh, air is qi moving inside this area. So Feng Shui Law is all about air circulation. Now we know air is 空气, it's about qi. So in order to know what is qi, we need to know what is pre-heaven qi. Pre-heaven qi is pre-heaven. It already exists. It's everywhere. It's formless. It's eternal. So in this universe, we have two types of pre-heaven qi. One is called yin, that means negative, pre-heaven qi. The other one is called yang, positive, pre-heaven qi. So what is pre-heaven qi? Pre-heaven qi is light, is energy, is your thought. Is your heart, is magnetic field, is energy, that is the force to make your cell stay together. So pre-heaven qi is everywhere in this universe. Even a rock, it has pre-heaven qi. So what is pre-heaven qi? Keep it simple. It's a kind of energy. It's inside object. For example, a rock. You see a rock. Why it look like a rock, not a sand or any other kind of, form? Why? Because it has some energy inside to make it shape like that. So pre-heaven qi is a kind of energy. It's inside the object. Now we know pre-heaven qi is energy. How about qi? Qi is something we can feel. But when we have 空气, when we have air, that means we have two things together. What is pre-heaven qi? Pre-heaven qi is the source for qi. And qi reveals there's some pre-heaven qi there. So for example, when you feel the wind touch your skin, that means you know you have qi there, right? But when you feel the qi, that means the qi is flowing. That means we have some energy. So they are together. They are not able to separate. So pre-heaven qi and qi, they are together. So when the qi and pre-heaven qi, they work together, there's some air. So you can think this way. If you feel the air, you have qi, you have energy in this space. So qi is post-heaven. That means it is created. And qi can be sensed by our skin. We can smell it, right? We can, sometimes when the wind blows, we can hear it. So we can see the form. It's visible. So qi is something we create or something create. Here are some examples of qi. Qi is the inner energy of a living being. For example, if we ate something, right, and we feel energy, That means we have qi inside our body. And if you observe something, maybe two subject, right? Two stuff, they coming closer and you can feel the wind. That is the movement between objects. And the compression, the floating particle. Because in ancient China, they have no idea what is air, right? So they think, oh, when two things come closer, we have wind. That means there's some particle floating in this space. So they call it qi. Remember, 空气 is the qi inside this space. So this is how ancient Chinese, they try to understand what is air. And keep this way, right? Qi is the wind. You can feel the wind, that means they're qi. So right now, we're going back to the original concept. The air is 空气, is the qi move through a space. And qi is wind. So we know when you feel the air, it with some energy. So this is how air link with energy. So let's go back to the Feng Shui law. Feng Shui law is about air circulation because when you feel the air, that means there's some energy inside. When the air circulation is bad, that means the energy is not good. So when the arrangement is good, the house thrives. House represent all kinds of building, include office. So when the arrangement is right, the air circulation in this space is good. That means people feel good. And we have clear mind. We have good health. Because in this space, when the air circulation is good, it means that Feng Shui is good. It means the house full of energy because it contains good air. You can think this way. So on the opposite side, if a house, the Feng Shui arrangement is not good, the air stuck, right? You don't feel good when you stay inside that space. That means it cannot reveal the qi, its original qi, right? So the air is bad. That means the energy is low. Pre-heaven qi is low. When you stay inside that space, you feel your mind is kind of foggy, right? You don't feel good for a long time. There's no healthy life. So let's continue about Feng Shui.